Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am here, your computer teacher, Engineer Shahida Benazir Sheikh, for class 9 for computer science. Here is the chapter number 1, Introduction to Computer Systems. Here is the book and syllabus. You can see on the screen the name of the book and the syllabus for the June. Here is unit number 1, Introduction to Computer Systems. The topics are: number 1 is definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts data as input, processes data into information, outputs the information, and stores the data and information. Number 2 is hardware and software terms. All the components which are tangible, which are physical, are known as hardware. Hardware is divided into input, output, processing, storage. Then we have the software. The term software is used to describe computer programs, procedures, possible associated documentation concerned with the operation of a data processing system. Then we have the topic capabilities of computer. Capabilities are speed, storage, accuracy, variety of programs, decision making capability which the computer can do. Next is the limitations. The terms, the topics, the conditions which computer cannot do. Computer cannot understand anything by themselves. Each and every detail, even minor ones, has to be specified to the computer. It is always impossible to recover the lost data wholly with full accuracy. These are some limitations. Then we have the history and development of the computer. The history and development is divided into 3 ages: the dark age, middle age, and modern age. From the computer invention started from the dark age and is still in progress. In the modern age, we have the generations of the computer. After the generations of the computer, we have the topic types, classification of computer according to purpose, according to data handled, according to capacity. Then we have the impact of computer and internet on society. What are the advantages, what are the drawbacks of computer and internet on society, on education, on business, on work, are written over there on the page number 17 till page number 19. Then we have the last topic, introduction to programming languages and language translators. Programming languages are the step-by-step instructions for the computer to do, and the language translators are the programs which translates the language to understand by the computer. It covers our whole chapter. Then we have the written task. In this task you have to answer the questions. After then you have the assessment which you have to do by yourself. The MCQs. Thank you.